Hey guys, I hope this video find you very well. I hope you are doing great. Can you take a guess of the recipe we are making today with this dough? Try to leave your suggestions in the comment section. I want to see if you are going to guess right, and do not forget to watch the video to the end to know what this dough is all about. I want to know what they think and your suggestion about it, and I will tell you the story about why we come out with this recipe. Do you know making this recipe is actually very simple if you know the steps and you have tried it a lot of time? And I enjoy making the fresh one at home. If you are guessing, oh no, this is a pizza, you're absolutely right. And this pizza comes about that my kids really like pizza, and sometimes I find myself making my own made pizza at home. But this time my kid really performed very well and he requested for this. So to give him a treat, sometimes you just have to let your kids feel so happy. And he said, Mommy, I need a fresh homemade pizza. So I have to make him a fresh homemade pizza. He really enjoyed the pizza with chicken, sometimes the pizza with beef. And he also enjoyed the pizza with pure fresh cheese only. So I'm making a cheese pizza and it's very simple to make. It takes an hour to prepare this recipe for him, and the joy of them enjoying that freshness coming out from the oven, everything is fresh, not frozen. It makes me very happy. So that is the reason I'm making a fresh homemade pizza for my kids. And I remember this pizza is not going to take 2 minutes once it's out of the oven. So after adding my cheese, I already had my pizza sauce. For details about how to make this recipe, why don't you follow my page by leaving a comment? Let me know. I want to know the full recipe and I'm going to make you the full recipe about this. So this is the outcome after baking it for 25 minutes. You can see our pizza is fully ready. I'm going to make a little I cheat about the cutting. I'll make some bigger, I'll make some smaller, because it's not everyone that can eat the bigger size of pizza. So, and also for those of us that are trying to lose a lot of calories, so the small part is meant for me. So that's why we are cutting some very small and we are cutting some very big. So this is the outcome of our pizza. It only takes me an hour to make fresh homemade pizza for my kids, and it's absolutely delicious. You can see they can't even wait to start removing it. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. For you to see more of this recipe, please don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms, my YouTube and my Facebook. Thanks so much. See you soon.